Hello everyone and welcome back to the mathematical mindset. So right here we have this 9 square root algebra problem. So guys, let's get started. So we have this to be the square root of, now we can easily express 81 to be 9 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 2 plus, now we can easily express 49 to be 7 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 2 plus 2 raised to the power. Now 60 can be expressed as 4 multiplied 4, and this is going to divide what? 2. So we have this to be equal to the square root of, now we know that if we have a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n, this is equals to a raised to the power of m multiply n. So applying this, we have this to be 9 raised to the power of 2 multiply 2 plus 7 raised to the power of 2 multiply 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 4 or raised to the power of what? 4, and this is going to divide what? 2. So we have this to be equal to the square root of, so we have this to be 9 raised to the power of 2 multiplied 2 is 4, plus 7 raised to the power of 2 multiplied 2 is 4, plus 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16, and this is raised to the power of 4, and this is going to divide what? 2. So at this point we are going to say, suppose that A is equals to 9 and B is equals to 7. Then we can easily say that A plus B is equals to what? 16. So applying this, we have this to be equal to the square root of 9. 9, we have 9 to be A, so we have A raised to the power of 4 plus B raised to the power of 4 plus we have A plus B all raised to the power of 4, and this is going to divide what? 2. But we know that A plus B all raised to the power of 4 is equals to A raised to the power of 4 plus 4A raised to the power of 3 multiply B plus 6A raised to the power of 2B raised to the power of 2 plus 4AB all raised to the power of 3 plus B raised to the power of 4. So applying this right here, we are going to have this to be the square root of A raised to the power of 4 plus B raised to the power of 4 plus, now in place of A plus B raised to the power of 4, we are going to put A raised to the power of 4 plus 4A cubed multiply B plus, we have this to be 6A squared B squared plus 4A B raised to the power of 3 plus, we have this to be B raised to the power of 4, and this is all going to divide what? 2. So at this point, we have this to be equal to the square root of, now we have A raised to the power of 4 plus A raised to the power of 4 will give us 2A raised to the power of 4 plus B raised to the power of 4 plus B raised to the power of 4 is going to give us 2B all raised to the power of 4 plus 6A square B square plus, so we have this 4A cube B plus, we have this right here, we have 4AB cube, and this is all going to divide what? 2. So we have this to be equal to the square root of, so right here we have 2 to be common for the numerator, so we factor out 2, we have this to be A raised to the power of 4 plus B raised to the power of 4 plus, if you factor out 2 from 6, we have 3A square B square plus, if you factor out 2 from 4, we have 2A cube B plus, if you factor out 2 from 4, we have 2AB cubed, and this is all going to divide what? 2 right here. So from here we have that this we cancel out this, so this becomes the square root of A raised to the power of 4 plus B raised to the power of 4 plus 3A squared B squared plus 2A cubed B plus 2AB cubed. Alright, so we have this right here. So we have this to be equal to the square root of, so we have this to be A raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 2 plus B raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 2 plus, now 3A squared B squared can be expressed as 2A squared B squared plus A squared B squared, okay, plus 2A cube B plus 2AB cube. So we have this right here. But we know that if we have x squared plus y squared plus 2xy, this is equals to x plus y all square. That is to say, this represents x, this represents y, and this represents what? Xy. Okay, so if we simply apply this, we're going to have this equation to be, so applying this, we have this to be the square root of a square plus b square all square plus a square b square plus 2a cube b plus 2ab cube. So we have this to be equal to the square root of a square plus b square all square plus a square b square plus, so right here if you factor out 2ab, that is from here up to this point, we are going to have a square plus b square left. Okay, so applying that same process that says if we have x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. This is equals to what? X plus y or square. That is to say, if we have this to be x and have this to be y, so we have this to be yx, which is the same thing as xy, we are going to have this right here. So applying this to this equation, we are going to have this to be the square root of, we have a squared plus b squared plus ab or square. So we are going to have this right here. So this is equal to this. We cancel out this. So we have a squared plus b squared plus what? AB. So right here, I want to simply recall. At this part, we said that suppose A is equals to 9 and B is equals to 7. So recalling that right here. So we want to simply recall that A is equals to what? 9 and B is equals to 7. So from here, we have this to be 9 squared plus 7 squared plus 9 multiply what? 7. So this is equals to 9 square is 81 plus 7 square is 49 plus 9 multiply 7 is 63. And this is equals to 81 plus 49 is going to give us 130 plus what? 63. And this is equals to 100 and what? 93. And this becomes the final answer. So guys, this is how you can actually solve this nice square root algebra problem right here. And guys, if you've not yet subscribed to the mathematical mindset, please do wait to click onto that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you in the next video.